Hey guys, it's Miranda. I came today to talk to you about the Beautiful blend. Beautiful is one of my favorite blends. It is happiness in a bottle. It is so sunshiny and gorgeous, and I just love it. It smells so uplifting and energizing. It helps anxious feelings, and it's called the Captivating Blend for a reason. It makes you feel loved. It helps with self-acceptance. It has osmanthus, lime, bergamot, and frankincense in it. And all of these help with different things on a emotional level. But the thing I like most about it is that it's just as a very nice perfume. So it has this fancy shiny label on it, but lime is known for the as being kind of the zest for life. It helps cleanse your heart. It helps kind of lighten the mood and bring joy. It relieves self-judgment and limiting belief. It's cleansing. It helps energy levels, and it also helps to get some of your hope back. So I love lime for that reason. Bergamot is the oil of self-acceptance, and it helps relieve self-judgment. It's just a really nice, relaxing, and calming oil. I love bergamot to help me sleep, but it also just helps with self-acceptance and confidence. So what a great oil to have in a blend for women. It also has frankincense in it, which a lot of people know is the king of oils. Frankincense can help you calm down. It also helps relieve anxious feelings. It's known as the oil of truth. So it reveals deceptions and false truths, and it invites individuals to let go of lower vibrations. And it also just connects you to the divine. So whatever your spiritual beliefs are, it kind of helps you connect to a deeper level, basically, to our universe. I know that sounds a little woo-woo to some people, but I really feel like it helps just wake me up in every sense of the word. So connecting body, mind, and soul, all of those. So the Beautiful is available today. Again, they're re-releasing it. It's a limited time offer, and it's available today until they sell out. It's also available with Harvest Spice today as well. We'll talk about that tomorrow, but Harvest Spice is kind of a warmer blend that you can use in the diffuser. I've never actually had or smelled it myself, so I'm excited to get it. And I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday oils. These are once in a year. The last time we had the Beautiful blend was last year, and I'm so happy they brought it back. Comment below what your favorite holiday is. Holiday item is from dōTERRA, whether it be last year or this year's. I know we're all getting a lot of our orders in, so we'll reveal my unboxing of some of the oils from this week too. I hope everybody's having a great day, and yeah, just comment below what your favorite oil is, and if you want to get your hands on some of these holiday treats or anything else dōTERRA related, we're having a special this month where you get $50 in free oils. So message me if you want to get in on that deal. It's an awesome deal. They only offer stuff like this every once in a while, so I'd love to help you. You'll also get a little welcome bundle from me, and you'll be able to get into our exclusive oil tribe where we educate and help you use the oils that you buy. All right, hope you're having a great day. Happy holidays.